Operation Blue Star was the code name of an Indian military action carried out between 1 and the 8th of June 1984 to remove militant religious leader Jarnai Singh Bhindranwale and his followers from the buildings of the Hamani Sahib Golden Temple complex in Amritsar, Punjab. The decision to launch the attack rested with Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. In July 1982, Harchand Singh Longowal, the president of the Sikh political party Akali Dal, had invited Bhindranwale to take up residence in the Golden Temple complex to evade arrest. Bhindranwale later made the sacred temple complex an armory and headquarters. In the violent events leading up to Operation Blue Star since the inception of Akali Dharm Yudh Morcha, the militants had killed 165 Hindus and Nirankaris, and 39 Sikhs opposed to Bhindranwale. The total number of deaths was 410 in violent incidents and riots, while 1,180 people were injured. On the 1st of June 1984, after negotiations with the militants failed, Indira Gandhi ordered the army to launch Operation Blue Star. A variety of army units and paramilitary forces surrounded the temple complex on the 3rd of June 1984. 5 months after the operation, on the 31st of October 1984, Indira Gandhi was assassinated in an act of revenge by her two Sikh bodyguards, Satwan Singh and Bin Singh. Public outcry over Gandhi's death led to the killings of more than 3,000 Sikhs in the ensuing 1984 anti-Sikh riots.